Everyone, myself Dr. Kirti, and I am back with the next set of asanas for boosting our immunity. Although there are numerous asanas and various poses which influence our immune system positively. Till now, I have discussed 4 asanas and today I will tell more about 2 asanas. So total 6 asanas. These 6 asanas are the simplest ones with the maximum benefits. And these are the most commonly known asanas. So let's start with today's first asana, and that is Shishu Asana or child pose. First we'll see the advantages. First advantage, this decongests the chest and builds a better defense system. Second advantage is a very good news for all those suffering from constipation, because that is a very big problem for the sufferers and they use all the methods and various medicines to cure this problem. But if you practice this asana daily, it will relieve the symptoms of constipation definitely. Next advantage, it relaxes the spine, calms our mind and hence reduces the stress. Next advantage, this gives relief to mild pain in neck, head and shoulders. Now, who should not do this asana? First, it should be avoided during pregnancy. Second, all those having back and knee injuries. Third, if you are suffering or recently suffered from diarrhea. So these are the benefits and the contraindications of Shishu Asana. Next asana is Vipreet Karni or leg on the wall pose. Vipreet means inverted and Karni means a particular time of practice. So let's have a look on the advantages. First advantage, it improves the lymph drainage. Second, this improves the overall blood circulation. Third, it releases pressure from the back. Fourth, it relieves mild backache. Next, it gives stretch to the calf muscles. Next, it relaxes our nervous system and calms the mind. And this is very good to control menstrual cramps. Symptoms of headache, migraine and insomnia are also controlled by practicing this yogasana. And patients of varicose veins have got multiple benefits after doing this yogasana. Now, what are the contraindications? So first contraindication is all those who are having any eye problem, example glaucoma. Second contraindication, if you are having neck or back injury. But if you have recovered from these conditions, you can practice this yogasana under supervision. Mostly what happens, these patients start feeling tingling in their feet, but if they bend their knees, these symptoms can be relieved. So this was all about our Vipreet Karni. So with this, we have finished our yoga asanas for boosting immunity. Let's have a quick revision. First, Dhanurasana. Second, Bhujangasana. Third, Uttanasana. Fourth, Setubandhasana. Fifth, Shishu Asana. And sixth, Vipreet Karni. So start doing these yogasanas if you haven't started yet. I am practicing these yogasanas daily and believe me, I have got wonderful benefits in my overall health. Keep yourself healthy, stay safe, keep smiling, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.